back to my channel, everyone. So today I have another Gershion Polygel Nail Enhancement Kit to share with you. If you want to see the video on the other Gershion Polygel Kit I did, it's in the top right hand corner, the link, the card for that. So I'm going to open this up and we'll check out the colors in this one. And I think I will be doing a nail design once I share it with you. Okay, so here's the kit, and always they do have instructions, and I'm not going to go through all the instructions with you guys, but just kind of tells you exactly how to apply it. And a thank you card from Gershion, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors in this kit. A top coat, a base coat. You get your 100 and 180 grit file, you get your dual forms, and you also get your brush, spatula, polygel brush saying Gershion on it. So I'm just going to grab a piece of paper towel and I'm going to show you the colors. And then, like I said, once I get all the colors shown for you, I will be doing a nail design. So here's the first one, is clear. And these are 30 mils each, so they're not the really large size, but they're an okay size. They're not too small. Of course, each one has a seal. And there's the clear. And of course, there it is. We'll have to find out if it's foggy or not once it's applied to a nail. The next one is the white. There's the white. And the next one is natural pink. I like their natural pink, it's really pretty. The next one is dark pink. There's a little bit of a difference, you can see. Definitely same pink, but just one is a little deeper than the other. The next one is a cover pink. It's a nice, more orangey, peachy undertone to it. And the last polygel in the kit is bean red. And there it is. So you could easily do a French set with these colors. I am going to choose a couple or 1 or 2 of them, and we're going to do a nail design. So these are the nails I'll be sharing with you today using the polygel kit. So before applying polygel to a natural nail, I'll pretend this is the natural nail. I would just buff the nails to remove any shine off them. So of course now I'm just grabbing my dust brush just to remove the dust so I don't get it in any of my other products. And on a natural nail, I would take my nail prep and remove the oils and dust off it with that. And I would apply Young Nails Protein Bond and let it dry. And then I would take the base coat from the kit. This is the base coat. And I'm just going to apply a thin layer to all the nails. It would cure for 60 seconds in my combination light before I start applying the polygel. So of course the kit came with the dual forms, and I do like to use the dual forms when I do a nail extension, but of course with not having a client, I'm just going to do it on these tips. And of course, this is my red Iguana practice hand, and I do have a 10% off code for this hand. They are amazing, realistic hands. So if you want one, I'll put that link down in the description so you can get 10% off. Now I'm using the Cover Pink for the pinky, and I'm going to do one coat of it, and I'll cure it for 60 seconds. And I decided on this one I would do a second coat to deepen that Cover Pink, and then I'll cure it again for 60 seconds once I get that second layer on. And to apply the polygel, I'm just using some isopropyl alcohol to move it around. So now I'm taking the white polygel from the kit, and I'm just going to do the same process again of spreading it around with the isopropyl alcohol. Now if you were doing this on a real client, you would want to make sure you had a nice apex with that polygel. But once I get it done, it'll cure again for 60 seconds. So on the middle finger, I'm applying the Cover Pink again. So I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol to spread it all over the nail. And I'm just doing one coat of this because I'm going to be applying some loose glitter on this nail. So once I get it covering the whole nail, I will show you how I apply that loose glitter. And I do find the Gershion Polygels really easy to spread. They're not too sticky, which is really nice. So now to take some loose glitter, I did not cure the polygel, so I'm just taking this makeup brush and I'm rubbing it into the polygel, and once I get it on where I'm happy with it, then it'll cure for 60 seconds. So now I'm taking the clear from this kit and I'm gonna do an encapsulation of the glitter, and this clear went on really nice and it is not foggy at all, so that's a bonus in this kit to have a clear polygel that isn't foggy. So the next finger I applied the white. I wasn't going to show you guys it again. And on the thumb, I did one layer of that Cover Pink. And now I'm kind of ombreing down the loose glitter into the polygel on the thumb, and it'll cure for 60 seconds. So now I'm taking my E-Nail Couture foil gel and applying it to the two white nails and curing them for 60 seconds. Then I chose this foil. I just thought it complemented the Cover Pink really nice. So just taking my silicone tool and rubbing it in really well so that it separates from the paper, and I'll use my finger as well just to make sure. And you'll see when I pull up the foil, I did miss a small area, didn't rub it good enough, so I'll just apply a tiny bit more of that foil gel and cure it again for 60 seconds, and then you'll see me reapplying the foil and it just covers it up nicely then. So if you make any mistakes, it's an easy fix. So on the other white nail, same process again. I'm just applying the foil gel and curing for 60 seconds, and then I apply the foil, and I'll just let you guys watch me do that. Same process as the other nail. So once the foils were done, I top coated them with the top coat from the kit, and I did top coat the rest of the nails with the same top coat. I didn't show you guys filing of the polygel, but it did file really nice, and I did file all the nails before I applied the top coat. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Thanks to Gershion for sending me the polygel kit to share with you. It's a really nice kit if you want one for doing French nails or a set like this. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye.